So just
One and two.
go through the specs.
Yeah.
Before
So
entering.
this car on the boost mode churns out 504 Newton meters of peak torque.
All right.
The batteries, the motors on the front and rear are 158 and 238 PS of power that they generate.
All right.
0 to 100 is done in about 6.3 seconds, which we'll experience right now once we're onto the track. So
Okay.
we'll do 3 different set of activities onto the track. One is a speed trap that we do onto the main straight. We
Okay.
do kind of a drag 2 cars parallel. After that, on the back straight, we do a top speed run where we'll click some around 160, 165s.
Okay.
After that, we'll be doing a proper hot lap, which is from turn 4 till turn 15.
Okay. All right. Okay. So now we are hitting the
Belt is
circuit in the all-new Harrier.EV. There you go, one car. We're gonna do some high-speed runs, some maneuvering, and our instructor Parth is gonna drive us around. Okay, so boost mode has been activated. That's the horsepower and torque stats. We're gonna do a drag with another Harrier EV, and here we go.
3 and 4 line up.
Okay, that thing is pulling 100, 130. So now we're gonna hit the high speed.
Yes.
So now we are gonna hit the back straight. That's almost a kilometer long, and we're gonna do a top speed run. However, they are restricted a little bit, about 160, 170 kilometers an hour. Top speed run, boost mode on. Here we go. Oh, that was a hard launch. 100, 130, 150, 160, and almost touching 170. Nice, that was a quick acceleration. So next up is a hot lap section. We did a drag, we did a top speed run, and now we are going to go for a hot lap session.
Here we basically see what kind of advantages do we have onto the track by having torque vectoring, by having both the motors working at tandems.
Nice.
Go.
Yep, we're good to go. And the hot lap starts. And now we're gonna hit the parabola, the outer lap. Nice. 4-wheel drive, holding it in place. Sharp left-hander and then a sharp right-hander.
That's the end of the hot lap.
Oh, nice.
So there were no brake taps, nothing all throughout. It was just on region 3.
Oh, that means you're just driving on single pedal driving. Just lift the throttle and the car brakes automatically. Nice. Actually, you didn't feel that. It was looking like you're braking a little bit. The region is very nice.
Pulls you back.
How is the feeling at the back? Hot lap.
Nice.
Did you all move from?
Uncomfortable.
Was it uncomfortable?
Not.
Okay, not. All right. Nice. So rear passengers are also
Parth.
satisfied. Not only front, I didn't feel that much, but people at the back also saying that it was not that bad. Good. Nice power delivery.